Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, first, microcystic Cogans dystrophy, epithelial dystrophy. Microcystic Cogans epithelial dystrophy. Okay, here the dystrophy is mainly present in the epithelial basement membrane is defective. Here there is a defect in TGF1 gene is defective, and this has a limited familial cases are associated with this Cogans epithelial dystrophy. Here we see presence of dot-like or fingerprint pattern is seen. So if you see the picture, this is the Cogans dystrophy with fingerprint pattern is seen here. This is Cogans or microcystic epithelial dystrophy.
thank you and thank you for watching.